Well, welcome to Snowy Emerald Mountain. This is an anniversary of sorts, January the 17th, 2018, when we had quite a bit of snow up here on the mountain, and it lasted for a couple of days. Thought I would re-edit all of this and let everybody have a little view of what it was like 4 years ago. It's cold today, I know that, so it could have snowed. Anyway, there's the Emerald Mountain airstrip up there in the upper part of the video. We're looking over the Hickory Hills part of Emerald Mountain. And looking, this is Emerald Mountain Parkway right there. And we're looking up towards the stables and the fire station, and the brown spot in the background is where the new school site is, the new Redland Middle School. Of course, there was nothing there then, it was just open fields. It looks a little different with snow on the ground. Well, here we are on the other end of Emerald Mountain, down by the clubhouse. That's Emerald Mountain Parkway to the right, center. And we are coming back towards the stables and the fire station, the back part of Emerald Mountain. Like I said, everything looks clean and fresh with the snow on the ground. It's a little different look. Not that unusual for our area to get a little bit of snow every now and then, but this was quite a bit of snow. And as I remember, it was pretty cold. That's Emerald Mountain Parkway in the lower part of the screen. Looking back down towards the clubhouse now. But anyway, I thought I would re-edit this and give it a fresh new look. And a lot of folks have probably not seen this, so I thought I would redo it. Flying back down towards the clubhouse again. The golf course is in the upper left-hand portion. Again, there's the clubhouse. Going down towards the tennis courts. Don't get quite down to the fountain. And in the upper left there is River Birch Park. And now the first part of the golf course. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button too. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.